Gonna fix this Honda key. Right now it's kind of coming loose. This usually happen after a few years. My pilot is about 7 years now, so that's a lot of use. I found this kit online. I'm just gonna give it a try before I had to go to the Honda dealership. Let's see how it works out. This comes out of here, so I'm guessing this is an improved design of some sort, because I know these were always kind of an issue with these keys. I'm surprised that mine took so long to break. I guess that'll be good enough. Yeah, it is kind of a different design. And for starters, this is a piece that is attached to the fob, or the shell of the fob, if you will. So now interesting, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Maybe if I read the instructions, I'm gonna be in a better place. There it is. Now put the controls again. That's it. Okay, I was trying to do it backwards. Perfect. Now I'll just put the last screw here, and it will be like nothing ever happened. That's it. It's working. You can see that it's an improved design. It's a different sleeve, and it doesn't interfere with the rest of the key. I'll just put this protector there that obviously didn't do a lot, but keep it there just in case. So that's how you repair a Honda key that came apart from the shell of the fob. Thanks for tuning in.